I earned $4,675 in 7 days by just tapping on my phone. This proven method of earning money online became popular in 2022 and is easily now the best method of making money online. Wouldn't it be great if you could receive $5 or $10 just by tapping a few times on your mobile device? People have reported earning more than $5,000 in 7 days by using this simple trick that I'm about to show you. How cool is that? This is literally once in a lifetime opportunity. Make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. All you have to do is to tap on your screen a few times, request a withdrawal, and get paid. It's that simple. You could do this even blindfolded and still make more money than you ever imagined. So get ready to learn this secret method of earning money. Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my money crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. This simple method of earning money online is the #1 hustle on the internet. You just need your laptop or mobile phone and you're good to go. Now before I move on any further, I want my money crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. The first thing you need to do is to go to this website. The website's name is enrollapp.com. This is a completely free website, and all you need to do is to register a free account. As you can see, right here you need to put your desired email address and password below. Or, alternatively, you could sign up directly with your Google account instead. It's up to you. After that, you'll see this screen where you need to put your first and last name and complete a CAPTCHA. That's a piece of cake for you. When you're done, you should see this right here. You'll be given a mission to complete. Click on Accept. Here, you need to put in your PayPal email. You'll get your payments through PayPal. So, put in the email you're using for your PayPal account and click Continue. If you don't have a PayPal account, there's also an option to create one right away. Choose what languages you fluently speak, and if English is your native language, check the English is my native language box, and then click Continue. From here, you just need to put in your mobile phone number for verification purposes. Choose the country you live in, and here, choose Yes, so you receive tests all the time. That will take you to this screen, where you put in some of your personal data, like gender as you can see. The next few questions will be personal, so go ahead and complete them. This is my favorite website to earn money because it's so simple. Now listen, there are a few simple tricks that I discovered that will double or triple your money, so be sure not to miss any section of the video. This is your dashboard. You can keep track of everything right here. As you can see here, this is my mission progress. This little cow will go from the left to the right when you complete more and more missions. Notice that you have polls that you will be doing, and right here you can see how many polls you completed. When I say polls, I refer to these specific questions you can see here. You must answer these questions with yes or no. If I select yes, for example, you will see the following. How did you stack up? This right here represents how did other people respond to this question. As you can see, this percentage of people said yes, and this percentage said no. You don't have to do anything with this. Just click on Continue. Notice that my polls answers increased. I'll give another example. You can see that another question showed up, and when we answer it, we can see how we stack up. There are no limits on how many polls you can do, and the more you do, the more points you earn and more money. It's really that simple. Tap on your screen, complete polls, and earn while doing so. Don't forget to keep watching so you don't miss out on an important trick on how to double or triple your money. Now, you can see the Achievements tab at the very top. Head over there and click on it. That will take you to this page. Here you can keep track of your badges, achievements, and missions. As you can see, I already earned some points. You can earn points when completing tests and polls. Remember the tricks I promised to reveal. Pay great attention to what I'm about to show you so you don't miss out on those. You can earn bonus points for being an active user. Log in daily to earn extra points and you'll double or triple your money. Down below, you can see your badges. The more badges you achieve, the more points and extra money you receive. For the second trick, head over to this little arrow in the top right corner and click on Test Preferences. That will take you to this page where, for example, you can see all of your previously answered poll questions or account settings. For our trick to work, right here where it says Devices I can test on, select all three. So select mobile, tablet, and desktop. This will allow you to get more tests and more poll questions. For testing availability, be sure to choose the Send Me tests as soon as possible to receive the tests more often. Also, you can choose to either get test notifications via email or SMS. It's really important to receive those notifications so you don't miss out on any bonus money, so be sure to tick that box. Now I will show you how you get your payment. But before we get into that, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. From your dashboard, you can see the Financials tab at the very top. Head over there and you will see this page. Here we can see our balance and money earned so far. You don't even have to request a payout. The website will automatically send you your earned money on PayPal on the date displayed next to the payout date. So the website does everything for you. You just need to be an active user and complete tests and polls. It can't get any easier than that. I know you guys can't wait to try this out. I couldn't either. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.